Hey guys, welcome back with another super simple guitar tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Before You Go by Capaldi. Now for the basics of this song, you need the guitar on standard tuning and you will need a capo on the first fret of your guitar. So put the capo on the first fret of your guitar and let's jump to the lesson. Now first of all, let's start with the strumming pattern, because we are going to use the strumming pattern in the entire song. The strumming pattern is really nice and easy. It goes like down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Again, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Now a little bit faster. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Now let's move on to the verse / prechorus part. We have D, B minor, G, A sus4, and A. Now we are going to play a strumming pattern twice for each chord, except A sus4 and A, that we are going to play just once for each chord. So the verse ends. Now let's move on to the chorus part, which is really nice and easy. We have D, A, B minor, G, and again A. Now we're going to play for 2 times, and after 2 times we're going to play just a D chord for once, and using the strumming pattern twice for each chord. So the chorus part will sound like this. Now let's move on to the bridge part, which is really nice and easy. We have B minor, G, D, and A. We're going to play this for 2 times and using strumming pattern twice for each chord. So the bridge will sound like this. Now let's move on to the final chorus. We have A, B minor, G, A, and D. Again, we are going to use strumming pattern twice for each chord. So final chorus will sound like this. That's it guys, thanks for watching, and if you found out this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more guitar tutorials. See you later.